Tomorrow, a judge will hand down the verdict in the trial of a Kansas City police officer.
This is one of the court cases being watched by activists across the country. Officer Eric DeValkenaere is charged with involuntary manslaughter and armed criminal action in the death of Cameron Lamb.
KCTV5's Emily Rittman is outside the Jackson County Courthouse with a closer look at the case.
Judge J. Dale Youngs is expected to announce his verdict at 1 in the afternoon tomorrow. The judge has been deliberating since prosecutors and defense attorneys made their closing arguments last Friday.
Eric DeValkenaere took the stand in his own defense. He told the judge Cameron Lamb pointed a gun at his partner, Troy Schwam, on December 3, 2019. Lamb was backing a truck into a garage at a home where he lived at the time of the shooting.
He takes his left hand with the gun, and as he brings it along up and around the left-hand side of the steering wheel is when I... My focus moves from that weapon to the center of his chest.
During testimony from Cameron Lamb's mother, Lori Bay, prosecutors showed photos of Lamb with his children and in the hospital following a 2015 injury to his left hand. The state argued Lamb was right-handed and had limited use of his left hand from the injury. After Lamb was shot, tactical officers entered the garage and identified a gun on the ground beneath Lamb's left hand. Throughout the trial, prosecutors suggested evidence was planted. DeValkenaere's defense attorney showed video of Lamb using his left hand to perform maintenance work on cars and lifting items. They also showed videos of Lamb driving with a gun in his lap.
No citizen should expect the police will run into their backyards with gun drawn under circumstances like this.
The state focused on the Fourth Amendment, asking the judge to find DeValkenaere guilty because prosecutors say DeValkenaere did not have permission, probable cause, or a warrant to investigate Lamb before the shooting. Prosecutors contend a car chase Lamb was involved in that day had ended and there was not an immediate danger. DeValkenaere's defense team argued he is innocent because he had a duty to investigate and reasonable suspicion because other officers saw Lamb chasing a driver of another vehicle at dangerous speeds, running a red light, and weaving into other lanes of traffic. They say DeValkenaere fired because Lamb pointed a gun at his partner.
This is not a crime. It's a tragedy. The state's case is a series of unproven accusations, innuendos, and unreasonable inferences. This state's case was never meant for a finder of fact. It was meant for a different audience for a different reason. He had to shoot Mr. Lamb to save Troy's life. Any officer, same outcome.
KCTV5 News will be in the courtroom tomorrow to bring you the judge's verdict. Reporting from Kansas City, Emily Rittman, KCTV5 News.